Oh, welcome back, folks. Some people probably wishing they're in Alaska right now with the heat and humidity we have been dealing with. Cooler conditions. That's about the coldest place in the United States that we can find right now. Hey, our weather question tonight coming in from Tyrese Lawson. I think that's 2 nights in a row, Tyrese. Some very quality questions to differentiate between a flash flood watch and a warning. Well, a watch and a warning, when the watch is issued, it means the conditions are going to be favorable to potentially have a warning. Now, a warning is issued when something is happening, like when you have flooding happening and you issue that flash flood warning. That's when we get these warnings. But if we think we'll have a lot of rain, we think it could lead to flooding, that's when we would issue a flood watch or flash flood watch. Same thing with tornadic situations and thunderstorm situations. So difference of a watch and warning: watch, conditions are favorable; warning, actually happening. Let's talk about the forecast right now and see if we have any potentials for watches or warnings, which the answer right now is no. Things are quieting down. You're looking at Skywatch Doppler radar. In fact, let's take a look at the few isolated showers that we still have across parts of the Midlands, continuing to fizzle out. One of the closest ones that I can find is around Sumter County, trying to move towards Clarendon County along I-95. No thunder or lightning with this, just an isolated shower that's continuing to fizzle out at this time. Some heavier activity occurring around Georgia, in fact near Albany, Georgia, which of course is Philip Phillips' stomping grounds, but nothing to be overly concerned with. Of course, Philip Phillips from American Idol. And as we take a look over the last couple of hours, we did have some activity firing up with the heating of the day. The PD was the area that we were watching. They had a severe thunderstorm watch today, and for us, as we talked about last night, a few of those storms fired up here, but the instability a little bit more improved compared to what we dealt with yesterday. Outside right now, temperatures, well, they're mild to say the least. 72, that's at Columbia at Heathwood Episcopal. It's 68 in Ridgeway and Fairfield County, 68 in Sumter, 72 in Barnwell, 71 at Pillion, 74 in Batesburg. Newberry still at 79 degrees on our weather bug site up there. 77 in Davis Station over in Clarendon County, 70 when you look up towards Buffalo. So bottom line, it's now 10:29 at night, and we've got temperatures in the 70s and 60s, very mild. And as our wind flow continues to come from the south, you've got mid-80s in Texas and close to 90 degrees. Our temperatures will continue to approach that 90-degree mark over the next couple of days. Now, again, with the heating of the day, thunderstorm potential, we're going to keep it in the forecast each day, but better chances as you travel northward along the Atlantic seaboard, as they have a little more instability. Future Watch confirming that. We'll put the map into motion for you. Tonight, just like every night this week, it should be fairly quiet. But here we go. Lunchtime tomorrow, the potential of seeing a few spots of green indicating a possible pop-up thunderstorm with the heating of the day. Chances slight at best, but better to our north. And then that potential fizzles out as you head towards tomorrow night. So a closer breakdown of your overnight planner. 71 by midnight. Will be in the 60s through most of the overnight time frame. 72 when you're starting the morning at 9 o'clock, 81 by noon, 86 by 3 o'clock, and 86 by 5. 7-day planner, we're around 90 as we head towards the holiday weekend, and we'll see chances of pop-up thunderstorms even past the holiday weekend, Katie.